Hello everyone, how about trading on the charts of currency pairs using auxiliary technical tools? Today we will examine the MACD oscillator. We will trade on the 15-second time frame. As a rule, we will open trades for 1 minute as this is the optimal trade for this indicator. Today I have $80 on my deposit and I want to increase this amount of money to $8,000. I hope this video will be useful for you and you will take something for your trading and make money. And in my closed Telegram channel, you can get profitable trading signals. To be added to it, message me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram. You will find my nickname in the pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment, and press the bell. And now let me introduce you to the principle of operation of the oscillator. Select the tab with indicators, find the MACD oscillator, and select. We can keep the settings the same, just increase the thickness of the two lines. We will slightly increase the size of the indicator for comfortable use. The instrument consists of two medium moving averages of green and red color. Both red and green candles indicate volume and exit the zero mark. Our task is to open a trade for a fall if the green line crosses the red one from top to bottom. If from bottom to top, then for a raise. It's important that the intersection is at the most extreme point of the indicator. If the intersection occurs at the top of the indicator zone, we open a short trade. Now I'll show you how it works. The moving averages move at the bottom of the oscillator. After a long-term decline, the price begins to form a reversal, so we expect the moving averages to cross. The green one will cross the red one from bottom to top. The intersection is already inevitable, so let's open a trade for a raise exactly at the moment of intersection, a clear signal for price growth. So let's look at the result of our trade. Despite the minimal volatility, the chart continues to move upwards, the price is rising, and the reversal continues to form, and we get our first profit. The moving average is touched, so let's open a trade for a raise. The green moving average crosses the red one from bottom to up. At the bottom of the indicator, the intersection is quite sharp, which gives us additional confidence in the trade. A successful entry point exactly at the intersection also guarantees us an advantage, so let's check it out. We see how the chart formed a series of large green candles which easily closed our trade in plus. The oscillator informed us about the impulsive price increase and we made a profit. So this was an excellent implementation of our strategy today. So let's continue. The moving averages move at the top of the indicator. The chart began to form red candles which led to their sharp approach. Now we see that the moving average is touched, a clear signal to open a short trade. The green moving average crosses the red one from top to bottom quite sharply, which allows us to expect an impulsive price decline. So let's wait for the result. The price continued its decline. We opened the trade exactly at the intersection and we made a profit. With proper use, the oscillator becomes an excellent assistant in trading. So let's look at the following market case. The moving average is touched. We open a trade for a raise. The intersection occurred slightly below the zero mark. There was a long-term decline. Now the price adjusted and the price is expected to rise. All conditions of the signal for the upward movement of the chart are met. So let's wait for the result. The price was adjusted and the large green candle closed our trade in advance in plus. The price increase continues even on charts with low volatility. The oscillator brings us profit. So let's look at the next chart. An intersection has just occurred. We open a trade for a fall. After a prolonged price increase, we expect the correction to complete and decrease. The oscillator gave us a signal as the moving averages at the top of the indicator intersect in the top-down direction. So let's see how the signal shows itself. Another chart with minimal volatility, but the signal brings us profit again. The chart is slowly decreasing with small red candle, which is quite enough for the exit point of the trade to be below our entry point. We made a good profit. Let's continue. The moving averages move in parallel for a long time. We open a trade for a fall. At the same time, we see the intersection of the moving averages. The green one crosses the red one from top to bottom, much above the line marked 0. We expect the moving averages to begin their approach from the 0 line. The price didn't decrease much in a minute. The exit point of the trade turned out to be lower than the entry point, and we made a profit. The chart continues to form red candles, and the indicator shows itself perfectly, so let's move on to the next chart. The chart has been decreasing for a long time. Now we see that the moving averages are about to cross. Let's open a trade for a raise a couple of seconds before the obvious intersection. That's where we'll have an advantage in terms of entry point. The signal is clear, the intersection is below 0 and in the right direction. So let's look at the result. A series of green candles confidently closes our trade in plus. We see a reversal on the chart and a price increase after a prolonged decline, and the oscillator helps us choose the optimal entry point. So let's find the next entry point. At the bottom of the chart, the moving averages begin to approach sharply. I suggest opening 2 trades for a raise for the amount of the entire deposit a few seconds before the obvious intersection. We gain an advantage on the trade by opening a trade a little in advance. Also, the intersection is quite sharp, which tells us that the chart will continue to move up. So let's check it out. Despite the fact that the chart showed little volatility, both trades were closed in plus. We see that the price is slowly continuing to move up, and our successful entry point played an important role in the success of our closing. We achieved this success thanks to trading on the signals of the MACD oscillator. Once again, the oscillator demonstrated itself perfectly, and we proved that with proper use, it will be an excellent assistant. I hope you enjoyed my video. Well, if you want me to share profitable trading signals with you, send me the code word team to my private messages in Telegram, and I will add you to my private channel where you will make money with me. You will find my Telegram nickname in the pinned comment. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, leave a comment and press the bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.